So in Lightroom, what you can also do is for different camera models, you can actually do lens correction. So over here, I have shot this particular photo with a Canon 7D kit lens of 18 mm to 255 mm. So now I'm going to go ahead and choose that around over here to do a lens correction. So for that, under the develop module, you can simply go ahead and expand the lens correction section right here. And then this is what pops up, as you can see right here. So if there's any chromatic aberration and so forth, then you can even go ahead and remove this and enable profile corrections as well. So you can see that I'm zooming in right here, just like this. So let me just go around onto navigator right here, just like this, and then change around the zoom level right here to much more fitting, like let's say for example 100% right here. So you can see that this is what I have right here. This is what I have. Let me just go ahead and click to zoom out. So you can go ahead and move the chromatic aberration, and if there's any color spilling and everything, it'll correct that out. And you can also enable profile correction right here. So right now the lens is set to none, but let me just go ahead and select Canon right here and select Canon EOF 18 to 55 mm. So you can see that it actually detected it right just like this. And if I were to enable and disable, you can see that as I do this, it actually does an automatic correction. So you can see that the vignette over here on the edges where you see darkness, if I were to enable it, that is corrected right here, and that is what you have. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and manually correct out the distortion amount right here and change around the vignetting level as you want as well to make it darker or brighter on the edges as well. You can also go around onto manual and change around the distortion right here, just like this, and change around, let's say for example, the amount of dehinging and everything else right here. There's not much color correction that's needed over here on this image, but you can go ahead and then change this around if needed right here, and you'll get a bit of a color change accordingly. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize lens correction feature inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.